एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। बेटा आज हम जो है स्केलेटल सिस्टम का एक और पार्ट करने जा रहे हैं एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ का, जिसका नाम है अपेंडिकुलर स्केलेटन। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन रैपिड रेडियस इन अल्ना आर। रैपिड में रेडियस और अल्ना जो हैं ऑप्शन ए completely fused together, option B completely separated, option C fused in middle and separated at the both ends, option D separated but united at both ends. So beta the right answer is option D, separated but united at both ends. So the next question is a shallow dispersion in the scapula which receive the head of upper arm bone is known as the, or which one of the following component is a part of pectoral girdle? Option A acetabulum, option B neural arc, option C glenoid cavity, option D none of these. So the right answer is option C glenoid cavity. So the next question is patella, the kneecap, is an example of option A cartilage gland, option B replacing bone, option B sesamoid bone, option D none of these. So the right answer is option C sesamoid bone. So the next question is a protein present in bone is known as option A chondrin, option B ossan, option C skeletal protein, option D globulin. So the right answer is option B ossan protein. So the next question is humerus bone is situated in, humerus bone जो है कहाँ पे पाई जाती है? Option A thigh, option B lower arm, option C upper arm, option D shank. So the right answer is option C upper arm. So the next question is symphysis contains option A hyaline cartilage, option B fibrous cartilage, option C calcified cartilage, option D none of these. So the right answer is option D none of these. So the next question is the outer covering of cartilage is option A perichondrium, option B periosteum, option C endosteum, option D peritoneum. So the right answer is option A perichondrium is the right answer. So the next question is the longest bone of human body is option A humerus, option B tibia, option C vertebrae, option D femur, option E incus. So the right answer is option D femur. So the next question is olecranon fossa is present over option A scapula, option B ulna, option C radius, option D humerus. So the right answer is option D humerus. So the next question is sinus sacrum of fowl is consist of option A 29 vertebrae, option B 3 vertebrae, option C 16 vertebrae, option D single vertebrae. So the right answer is option C 16 vertebrae. So the next question is the pelvic girdle of bird is attached to a complex structure formed by the fusion of last thoracic, all lumbar and first 5 caudal vertebrae. This is called, or in some birds some vertebrae are fused to form option A synsacrum, option B symphysis, option C syncaryon, option D synpelvis. So the right answer is option A synsacrum is the right answer. Next question is choose the correct option regarding a normal human. Option A the skull is dicondylic, option B metacarpals are 5 in number, option C patella is a cup shape covering the knee dorsally, option D scapula is large triangular flat bone situated on the ventral side of the thoracic, option E the pelvic girdle has 2 coxal bone. Options are A and E along are wrong. Option B. A and B along are wrong. Option C. B and E along are wrong. Option D. C and D along are wrong. Option E. Alone is wrong. So the right answer is option D. Option D is the right answer. D and C and D alone are wrong. बाकी जो remaining है वो सारे correct options हैं. So the next question is pectoral and pelvic girdles and bones of limbs form. Option A axial skeleton, option B appendicular skeleton, option C visceral skeleton, option D outer skeleton. So beta the right answer is option B appendicular skeleton. What will happen if bone is kept 10% of the KOH solution for 3 days? Option A remain unchanged, option B dissolved, option C became soft and inelastic, option D break. So beta the right answer is option A remain unchanged. So the next question is the canal seen in the bones of the mammals. Option A Haverian canal only, option B Volkmann's canal only, option C Haverian and Volkmann's canal, option D canal of skulls. So the right answer is option C Haverian and Volkmann's canal. Next question is number of bones in human is option A 260, option B 206, option C 306, option D 203. So the right answer is option B 206. So the next question is the total number of bones in your right arm is, or the total number of bones in the hind limb of a man is. Option A 30, option B 32, option C 35, option D 40. So the right answer is option A 30. The next question is scapula is a large triangular flat bone situated in the dorsal part of the thoracic between option A second and fifth ribs, option B the second and the seventh ribs, option C the third and the sixth ribs, option D third and eighth ribs, option D fourth and seventh ribs. So beta the right answer is option B said the second and seventh ribs. So the next question is an acromion process characterily found in the rabbit mammal is. Option A pelvis girdle, option B pectoral girdle, option C skull, option D sternum. So the right answer is option B pectoral girdle. So the next question is the matrix of bone and cartilage can be distinguished by the presence of. Option A Haverian canal, option B lacunae, option C chromatophores, option D adipose cells. So the right answer is option A Haverian canal. So the next question is what is different between bone of rabbit and that of frog? Option A beta in bone of rabbit Haverian canal is found. Option B yellow marrow is found. Option C osteocytes are different type. Option D bone of frog is spongy. So the right answer is option A in bone of rabbit Haverian canal is found. So the next question is acetabulum is present in. Option A pelvic girdle of rabbit, option B pectoral girdle of rabbit, option C both A and B, option D none of them. So the right answer is option A pelvic girdle of the rabbit. So the next question is end of long bones are covered with. Option A cartilage, option B muscles, option C ligaments, option D blood cells. So the right answer is option A cartilage. So the next question is oligeranon process is found in. Option A proximal end of ulna, option B distal end of ulna, option C proximal end of tibia, option D proximal end of humerus. So the right answer is Option A, proximal end of ulna. So the next question is, which of the following is absent in the segment of cockroach leg? Option A, fibula. Option B, coxa. Option C, tibia. Option D, femur. So beta, the right answer is option A, fibula is absent in the legs of the cockroach. So the next question is, which of the following pair of human skeleton part are correctly matched with their respective inclusive skeleton category and one pair is not matched? Identify the not matching pair. बेटा इनमें जो है पेयर्स दिए गए हैं, बाकी मैचिंग हैं, एक जो है मैच नहीं है, वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ऑप्शन ए पेयर्स ऑफ स्केलेटन पार्ट. ऑप्शन बी कैटेगरी ह्यूमेरस एंड अल्ना एपेंडिकुलर. ऑप्शन बी malus and stapes aerosical. Option C, sternum and tibia axial skeleton. Option D, clavicle and glenoid pelvic girdle. So beta, the right answer is option D. Option D is the right answer. बेटा इसमें राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी है, लेकिन ऐसा जो है थोड़ी मिस्टेक है एमसीक्यूज में. और ये जो सी ऑप्शन है ये बेसिकली इधर रिब्स आएगा, ये टिबिया मैंने जो है मिस्टेकनली दे दिया है. ठीक है. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हमारे पास जो है एस्ट्रागैलस एंड कैल्केनियम आर प्रेजेंट इन ऑप्शन ए फोरलिम्ब. ऑप्शन बी हाइंड लिम्ब. ऑप्शन सी स्कैपुला. ऑप्शन डी क्लेविकल. So beta, the right answer is option B, hind limbs. So the next question is, deltoid ribs is found in which of the following bones? Option A, radius. Option B, tibia. Option C, femur. Option D, humerus. So beta, the right answer is option D, humerus. So the next question is, pelvic girdle of rabbit consists of, और ऐसे भी सवाल हो सकता है, द कोक्सल ऑफ द पेल्विक गिर्डल इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द फ्यूजन ऑफ. दूसरा सवाल ये भी बन सकता है, या तीसरा सवाल ये बन सकता है, इन मैमल्स ईच हाफ ऑफ पेल्विक गिर्डल और ऑब्ट्यूरेट फोरामेन इज इन पेल्विक गिर्डल इज फॉर्म्ड बाय. ऑप्शन ए, इलियम, इस्चियम एंड प्यूबस. ऑप्शन बी, इलियम, इस्चियम एंड कैरोपॉइड. Option D, coracoid, scapula and clavicle. Option D, ilium, coracoid and scapula. So beta, the right answer is option A, ilium, ischium and pubis. This is the right answer. So हमारे पास जो next question है, that is the pectoral girdle constitutes. Pectoral girdle जो है बना हुआ है किस चीज का? So beta, options are Option A, scapula and clavicle. Option B, radius and ulna. Option C, ilium and ischium. Option D, maxilla and mandible. So the right answer is scapula and clavicle. So the next question is, the sigmoid notch is present in. sigmoid notch किसमें present होती है? Option A, femur. Option B, tibia and fibula. Option C, humerus. Option D, ulna. So beta, the right answer is option D, ulna. So the next question is, the presence of furcula, a characteristic feature of. Option A, frog. Option B, reptile. Option C, birds. Option D, mammals. So beta, the right answer is option C, birds. So the next question is, in children bones are more flexible and brittle because their bones have. जो बच्चों की जो bones होती हैं वो ज़्यादा नरम होती हैं, flexible होती हैं, लचकदार होती हैं और easily टूट सकती हैं. रीज़न क्या है? Options are, option A, large quantity of salt and little organic substances. Option B, large quantity of organic substances and little salts. Option C, well developed Havarian system. Option D, large number of osteoblasts. So beta, the right answer is option B, large quantity of organic substances and a little salt. So the next question is, ankle bone have 6 tarsal and arranged in 3 rows, then one first row have. Option A, astragalus and calcaneum. Option B, pterygoid and astragalus. Option C, pterygoid and calcaneum. Option D, none of them. So beta the right answer is option A, astragalus and calcaneum. So the next question is tricep muscle joint ulna with option A, radius. Option B, humerus. Option C, phalanges. Option D, suprascapula. So the right answer is option B, humerus. So the next question is in mammals each half of pectoral girdle consists of option A, suprascapula. Option B, scapula. Option C, caracoid. Option D, all of these. So the right answer is option D, all of these is the right answer. So the next question is innominate bone or hip bone is formed by the fusion of how many bones? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. So the right answer is option B 3 bones, ilium, ischium and pubis. So the next question is Havering canal are found in option A, spinal cord. B, brain. Option C, long bones. Option D, sponge. So the right answer is option B, long bones. So the next question is phalangeal formula of human hand of man is option A 1 2 2 2, option B 2 1 1 1 1, option C 2 3 3 3 3, option D 2 3 3 2 2. So the right answer is option C 2 3 3 3. दो हमारी थंब में होती हैं, बाकी जो रिमेनिंग होते हैं इनमें तीन तीन हमारे पास जो है बोन्स पाई जाती हैं. अच्छा, the next question is the structure responsible for the formation of sigmoid knock is olecranon process of humerus, olecranon process of femur, olecranon process of tibia, olecranon process of tibia. So the right answer is option C. ऑप्शन सी ये जो है हमारे पास बेटा इधर थोड़ी मिस्टेक है. ऑप्शन सी इधर बेसिकली क्या आएगा, तो ऑप्शन सी हमारे पास आएगा रेडियस एंड अल्ना. कौन सा? रेडियस एंड अल्ना. ये हमारे पास इधर मिस्टेक है. तो राइट ऑप्शन हमारे पास क्या होगा बेटा, इधर हम लिख लेते हैं रेडियस एंड अल्ना. इधर लिखते हैं. So right option is olecranos. Radius and ulna. So बेटा इसका जो राइट आंसर हमारे पास क्या है, वो है रेडियस एंड अल्ना. ठीक है, ऑप्शन सी जो है olecranon process of radius and ulna is the right answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 का. So the next question is old people are more liable to feature of their bones because option A, bones become soft and elastic. Option B, bones become hard and brittle. Option C, bones contain large quantity of organic matter. Option D, none of these. So beta the right answer is option B, bones become hard and brittle. So बेटा आज की हमारे जो हैं 41 MCQs इधर कंप्लीट होते हैं. हमारा जो टॉपिक था अपेंडिकुलर स्केलेटन का इधर कंप्लीट होता है. तो इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक और टॉपिक के MCQs के साथ. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा.